Hi everyone. Today we are going to start how to use modal auxiliary verbs. Can denotes ability, request. Rani can run fast. I can swim in the river. Could it denotes possibility, suggestions, future possibility. Could I use your mobile please? I could swim in the river. May. It denotes permission for future possibility. May I borrow money? She may come to our place. Might. Present or future possibility. I might win money. I have doubt. Two countries might go to war. Shall. Offer or suggestion. Shall I help you? Shall I call her? Should. Advise or uncertain prediction. You should check it again. He should give her a call. Will. Certain prediction. Will willingness certain prediction or promise. I will go to New York. It will rain today. Would. Request invitation. Would you pass the pizza? Would you prefer tea or coffee? Can ability doubt, permission, polite, request.